Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to crochet a sunflower. Sunflower bouquet represent happiness, loyalty. They are also known for their bright and happy look. Sunflower is a lovely main flower for any of your crochet flower bouquet. So let's learn how to crochet a real like sunflower. Make a magic ring with brown color 3-ply yarn. Make a chain going around the magic ring. Make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Slip stitch to end up the round 1. For round 2, make a chain and 2 single crochet in each stitch. In round 2, we will make total 12 single crochet. Slip stitch to end up round 2nd, make a chain. The first stitch is going to be a single crochet and the next one is going to be an increase. 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch 2 single crochet. Follow this all the way around. Round 4, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the third stitch 2 single crochet. In round 4, we will follow 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Round 5, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2 and 3, and the fourth stitch is an increase. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and fourth stitch is an increase. Round 6, 4 single crochet and 1 increase. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The fifth stitch is an increase. We will make 2 single crochet in the fifth stitch. Follow the pattern all the way around. After completing the round 6, cut off the yarn. We are done with our brown circle. Go ahead, once you have brown circle ready, and make a green circle exactly the same, following the same pattern. Place both the circles together. For petals, make a single crochet and 3 chains. Cluster of 3 triple crochet in the next stitch. For this, wrap the yarn twice on the hook and insert the hook in the next stitch here, one in the brown and next in green. Pull the yarn through 2 loops, then 2 more and keep the last loop on the hook. Do this 2 more times in the same stitch while keeping the last loop on the hook. Pull the yarn through all loops and make 3 chains. Make a slip stitch on the top of the petal, 3 chains and a single crochet in the next stitch. The very first petal is ready. Let's make one more together. Make 3 chains, a cluster of 3 triple crochet in the next stitch. Follow the same steps all the way around. When I left with reserve opening so I can add stuffing, fill the fiber in both circles and now just continue and complete the petals. Leave, make 15 chains, a single crochet in the third stitch from the hook, 1 half double crochet, three double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 3 triple crochet, 1, 2 and 3. 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, once you finish this side, turn your work and work on the other side by following the exactly same pattern. After completing the leaf, take a crafting wire 30 to 35 centimeter long. Make single crochet in all stitches. After completing the single crochet around the leaf, cut the yarn and twist the wire. Wrap the yarn over the wire and take a floral stick, apply some glue and attach it with the sunflower. Wrap the yarn over the floral stick and attach the leaf. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.